tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
Merry Christmas! Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. So today we are going Christmas shopping, food Christmas shopping. So every year, my mum and my dad to be fair, collects, so when they go shopping every week, it collects like, voucher card, like a Christmas card. So if he's got any money left over, it puts it, and then end of year, we end up having 150 for Asda. It literally helps us out massively, and then you can literally go shopping, not worry too much about money. And obviously it's expensive, so that's obviously what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you what we got. Obviously some goodies around the festive period, everything. So this video is going to be about house reset, because the house is a bit of a mess. And yeah, come Christmas shopping with us, to be fair. So yes guys, I hope everyone enjoys. Bye. Uniform away until next year now, because she breaks up after today for 2 weeks. My mum is taking them to bin, so yeah, she's doing a fun one today, activity. We had to sponsor her, so I'm just like, every morning it's like, you're obviously made a bed anyway, but yeah, every morning same routine, reset for the new day. Can't even see me there, can you? Sorry, my selfie stick is actually broken. Do I need to do my hair? I do need a shower later, so it's like, do you know what I mean? My hair's ruined anyway. I think I'm coming up to the conclusion that, do you know what I mean? Where am I putting on there? She's got loads of uniforms, but sometimes it just doesn't seem like it's enough. Right, so I think upstairs is complete. I'm waiting for my husband to message me because he's gone for his haircut, and then we're going downtown. I just can't wait, because now the festive stuff begins. I'm just doing it with my baby. So yeah, it doesn't feel like Christmas. Does anyone else think that? Oh, look, next year guys, I am on my diet, because I am the biggest I've ever been, so no eat. Matt's messaged me, is ready, so the pots will have to wait until I get back. Let's go food Christmas shopping. So that is actually the house reset, because I was going to do it this weekend, but I'm too busy. Obviously, we've got Sophia this weekend, so this is just what I do every day. Because guarantee it always, yes, it's always a mess into these, like the jobs daily you need to do. But I do want to like Uber, make some space for her. I need to put that kitchen up when she's not here, but she's with me now all the time. So she's upstairs with Daddy because she woke up and she looks absolutely tired, bless her. She has had a hard week at nursery. I don't know what's up with her. And to top it off, obviously we went to an activity play on Tuesday, and obviously they sent it like on like this platform, school platform, so you can keep, obviously, so teachers can obviously give the parents news or whatever's got going off in that. And so I've looked at it. Sophia is literally on one bit. Very, very disappointed, because it's like you see a lot of kids that's on there more, and she's on her own. And I feel, and once you see that, it really, really does upset me. She just needs confidence up in that. I don't know if any kids have said anything to her. Like, she's a sensitive soul, but she doesn't tell us anything either. So it does really, really upset me. So we are going to Smyths as a treat, because she's broken up for Christmas now. And then we're going to go to McDonald's and then do a routine and everything like that. So yeah, I'm just literally upset just even talking to you guys. Like, it's horrible. But next year I'm actually going to get him in jiu-jitsu. So yes, guys. So that's just me pottering around. So yeah. At the minute, she's seen a couple of things, but she hasn't put nothing in. Barbie one. Yeah.
What's it come with then? Does it come with any job?
Is that what you want, baby? She looks Mario. She's already got them. We've got Daisy, Mario. So guys, we went to Smyths, as you seen. She bought, did I show you what she bought? Rosalina. I said it was Daisy, but it's not, it's Rosalina. And a Barbie swimming pool with a massive slide. It's quite big and all. But I didn't like film the checkout because literally Sophia was sick everywhere. So we had to leave Smyths. She still wanted to go to McDonald's though. But she had only like one incident. Now she's back home. Well, in bed. Gave her a bath and everything, but I didn't really want to get my camera out. Vlogmas, but it's just like the prepping. Obviously these next couple of days now, Sophia is obviously off, broke up now. Yes guys, so I hope everyone enjoyed just my family really, and I'll see you tomorrow guys. Bye.